Hi, this is Peter from NetFoundation and welcome to the second video in the second series on how to make a course in its learning. In this series we go through the administrative part of creating a course and details you have to think about. In this particular video we will talk about the recommended way of creating and using a course. First, I want to talk about the recommended order to begin creating a course. Before you start creating real courses, I recommend you to play around with the test course first to figure out how things work. When you're ready, create a course template. You do this by creating a new course the way you want your new courses to look like. For students, it's very important that all courses have a similar structure, as it can be confusing if they go through courses differently each time. If you're done with making the structure and content, you can choose the option based on an existing course or a template when creating a new course. Browse for the course template, and if you create a course, you will have copied the template into a new course. Now in this course, you can change the content into the new content. Now, you could use this as your course, but we strongly recommend to make another version of it when actually running it. In other words, make a development version where you can make changes when needed, and whenever you are going to run it, copy this development course into a new one. At NetFoundation we have a couple of courses about the Old and New Testament, and after making the course we will still encounter some flaws or issues that need to be fixed. We fix these in the development versions of the course. When a new season or a new group of students come around, we just make a new course using the development version as a template. As a teacher, you can also see the course as a student, even if your role is a teacher in the course. Click on the person icon and select the role you want to choose. If I click on pupil, I see the course as a student and I get a feeling of how the course would look like. This is helpful because the students will see some things differently, such as the start button in the overview page. Okay, next topic. When students go to the course for the first time, they will see a landing page. This page is the course page by default, but you can change it in order to give students information on how to use the course. To do that, go to the resources and make a page. This page must not be in a subfolder, as you can only choose from elements that are within the folder called resources. After you have made the page and filled everything in, you go to the settings, course properties and features, and then select the start page over here. After you have done all this and have seen the other tutorials, you're good to go. Don't forget to activate all folders and elements. Tests are often deactivated by default, so you will have to turn them on. The easiest way to do that is by going to Resources. Then click on this box, which will select all the other folders and elements. On Action, click Activate. I just wanted to note that there is a help page with lots of really helpful information. You can access it by going to Plans, then clicking the three dots and then on Help. It will show the help page of the plans, but you will be able to choose other topics. This was the second video in the series about the administrative part of creating a course. The next video will be about how to run a course, for example how to review a test or an assignment. Thank you for watching.